The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Fulton County government in conjunction with the National Weather Service. A very unusual weather event is taking place across the region. A low-pressure system has brought in heavy rain to the area. However, the atmosphere has been contaminated with some strange types of dust or microorganisms, causing the rain to emit a reddish color. This phenomenon is known as blood rain. While this does not pose any significant risk to human exposure, residents should shelter indoors until the weather system passes.